Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and Happy New Year! It's 2020, guys, and this is our first official video of the new year. And so I said I would start it off with doing something that I don't think I really done before. I may have touched on it a little bit, but I think I'm going to make this a regular in 2020 because I know these type of videos are very popular, and I want to make sure that I'm staying abreast of what YouTube and my family likes to see on our channel. So I'm gonna kick off our first official video with a thrift store haul. And in this haul, I'm going to show you various items, and I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do with the items, but I am going to tell you that a lot of it is going to be DIYs. So we're going to get started with this haul of 2020. And so the first thing I want to show you guys is, it's kind of large, is this mirror. I know you're not going to be able to see all of it, but it is a mirror, and it already had this blue and black leopard print in it, but it does not go with any home decor of mine, so I don't think I'm going to keep it, but it's in very good condition. The regular price on this mirror was that was another price. I don't know what the original price was. One thrift store was $20, and then mine was $12.99, but I think they were having a 50% off, so I think I got it for like $7. So you will see this again. And let me turn you guys, well, maybe I can do it like this. The next two things I got were these pillows. It says Blessed and Hello Autumn, and they are fall pillows, but I like them, and they were 99 cents a piece, so that is an awesome deal. I really think that was an awesome deal. You probably could do a DIY on this, but for me, getting this at 99 cents, they were a steal, so I'm glad I got these. Then I got two of these candles hold sticks right here. They are very popular at thrift stores, and you can almost always find them at a thrift store. And it looks like somebody had updated these, and this is stuck on something, okay. So I got a pair of these candle holders, and you can tell on the back that they were the brown wood, and that's what color you would normally find them in thrift stores, is this brown colored wood. But you can always find these at thrift stores, almost always. And these were 99 cents a piece, and like I said, I got two of these. One of them is hooked to something else that I got, which I'm going to show you. Oh, I got it off. So that's the other one. The next thing I got was this candelabra. And you can almost find candelabras all the time at your thrift store. But I like this one. It was only one, but still it would make a great centerpiece on the tabletop along with other stuff. And this was $2.99. So I got this. Then I found this tray, and it was on the Christmas section, and it had $2.99 marked on it, but I think she rang it up as $1.99, so almost 50% off. So it is a good buy for what I'm going to do with it. And even if I wasn't going to do something with it, it still would have been a great buy for $1.99. Great for putting in your kitchen or in a bathroom to put your lotions and body washes and different things to that nature, facial stuff, whatever you want to, you can put on these. And I'm not for sure, I'm quite sure that you can find these at your thrift stores. It may be a little bit harder to find, but most all the thrift stores have some form of frame trays. The next thing I got, which I don't know what I'm going to do with quite yet, but I figured I can do something with it, and it was only 50 cents, is this safety candle holder. It's for a like one of the candelabra candles, and it's just this plastic holder thing. I was hoping that I could find more than one, but it was only this one, and I got it so I can see what I can use it for or come up with. Then I got this 10 packs of mini bowls, and they're normally $3.97, and it looks like it's a Walmart thing that Walmart normally carries, but they're brand new, never been opened, and I paid 99 cents for it. And this is regular $3.97, and I paid 99 cents for it. Next thing I got was this wooden box. It's really nice. It's lined. It's ugly green, but it's lined, so it is a nice piece. Even the bottom is lined. And this was $2.99. Got this for $2.99. And it looks like that is the Duke Blue Devils thing, but I doubt if it is. But I like this box right here. The last thing in this bag is this sled. I always wanted me a sled, so for Christmas, you know, I can do a DIY with it, and or make a centerpiece out of it. And they had this one and another one, but this one right here was only 29 cents, and it was a much better deal. And the other one was shaky. It was all what you call this, wicker basket, and it was $2.99, and it was falling apart. So this was a great deal. So I will have this for next Christmas to do something with. And guys, if you want Christmas stuff, this is the best time to go looking for Christmas stuff at your local thrift stores and at your local department, at your local stores that because right now I know Michael's is having 70% off all their Christmas stuff, and I found some awesome garland that is normal for $40, and I got it for like $7. Okay, so then I found 7 of these, and I know the Dollar Tree carries some bowls like this, but not like this. You're not going to find with the base like this in the biggest part, and I think they are called dessert bowls, where you're supposed to make sundaes and different things like that in it. But these were 49 cents a piece, and I did get 7 of these. 7 of those. The next thing I got these little bowls right here, crystal bowls, and these were 49 cents as well. I love the detailing on it. It looks like kind of like leaves or flowers, and I'm praying that what I have these intentions for, which I'm going to probably make this next after this video, I hope that, you know, they come out good. And I got 2 of these right here. And then I think this is the last. Oh yeah, because that's another one of those. And then the last thing I got in this haul were, I got these saucer plates. They're clear, and I love the shaping of it. It's not quite square and it's not quite round. And you know, Dollar Tree has clear plates as well, but I have an idea that I want to do with these. And I was lucky to get actually 8 of them, because normally I can only find 6 or I can only find 7. But I actually found 8 of these, and they were 49 cents each. And this is a great deal, because even if you found one like this at the Dollar Tree, it will be $1. And Dollar Tree does have the white plates, the actual white plates in this shape, but they don't have the clear plates in this shape. They have the round clear plates, and I have some of those. So I have an idea of what I want to do with these to go in conjunction with the Dollar Tree clear plates. So guys, that's what I got on my thrift store haul. I did go to Michael's, and like I said, they're having a 70% off sale, and I got, is it 2 items? I think it was 2 items. I got, like I said, I got some garland, and it was 70% off. My Michael's don't have that much garland left, but I was lucky to get what I was looking for. And I got these wooden, like, plaque kind of things, but it kind of almost look like doors. And I got an idea that I'm going to do that with the Cricut series that I'm going to start bringing. And so, yes, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed the first video of 2020. I hope you also enjoyed the first haul of 2020. Let me know down in the comment section, or if these are videos that you would like to see me do a thrift store haul, and then do a trash to treasures DIY. And that's what I think I want to do. I want to do thrift store haul, and then from that thrift store haul, I want to do a trash to treasure DIYs. So let me know down in the comment section if this is something that you want to see. Let me know what you want to see in 2020 up here. And guys, this right here is a DIY on our channel, and as you can see, it's 2 different designs of it. So I started this DIY live, and I finished it with a pre-recorded video. These right here are also a DIY on our channel. They are night lights, and they're a lifesaver when my grandchildren come over, because, you know, some of them, they're still afraid of the dark. So these are good, and then these are good as well. I'm going to make something to go right here in between them, but they probably won't stay there. But I am going to make something to go in conjunction with these. So guys, like I said, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section to let me know if the thrift store hauls is something that you're into, along with the trash to treasure videos that will go with it. And also let me know something else that you would like to see. I would love for you guys to start sending me pictures of things that you would love me to try to do a dupe of or recreate it on a budget. And you can do that at our email address, designonthe$budget@gmail.com. That information is always down in the description bar. And until I see you guys in the next video, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And I truly, truly mean it. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.